I use one eye to dey look this house. Oh, no, Mike, this your house, eh? You get error. Now we dey check anything wey no good. Later they'll say na mat nowadays. I don dey view am. Mike, this your house. Get error. Mike, this your house, eh? It be fine, oh, but we get where error dey for here. Nigeria youth. Oh, Mike, this your house. It be like say arty too much for this house. Too much of arty. Artwork too much. Too dey draw. It's too busy. Why Nigeria dey build house like this? They just carry building when you just build, you go just light. They just draw. Eh? After they go draw finish, they come use different color, come take paint am. Why? Why Nigeria? I don't know. This house, you know what this house will just need. As you just do this house finish, bro, Mike, eh? I beg. I just go beg you, go change this color. The color too plenty. For the staircase, marble dey there. For the color too plenty. How many has this color could get? Una too dey hurry dey build house. Now supposed to dey build the house gently. Jeremy wan just sigi. Brother, my brother Mike. The time when they build this house, you know they go there. You just dey run up and down for street, eh? How can you build house like this? I don't know whether now we want dey abroad, they from abroad they look out. But for me, you know, I'm a fashion designer. I design food. I design cake. I color cake. I bake cake. I fry Indomie. I cook jollof rice. We use different color to garnish it, but this color too much. Huh? And another one day when you still do house day inside cup. I don't say that one I did look at me. I go for Ogbofo carry cup. They don't say this woman come build your own. Me I find Ogbofo come put. Ogbofo say he won't go change your color. You know what they wanted these people. These people don't know say a building, if you build a house, you take time. Take time to build the house. Okay, you see this window now. This thing for this window too much now. It's too much. The arting for this window too much. Therefore, I use this window to talk to one. This window will be one window. And because this window now inside one bedroom, now this window dey now. You know, see, huh? And Bra Michael, and as you won't zik this house, you can use two different things. How you get two house for inside one compound? You can't use different zik to zik am. Una too dey hurry. You for patient. When the money complete, you go use the same zik. The house carry different zik. When I visit the house, I say, now me dey top put to anything where dey Facebook, now me dey top put. You spend money, you try. Say you spend money. They say now 700 million. Yeah, they say now 700 million. Now you take build this house. They by talker. You for go Abuja now. They say now 700 million. Now you take build this house. No, na see they give people hope. People when see they gather money when you want to see build house. If you now just start this one now, they just say, they don't want build house again. 700 million naira. Now they say, Mike, take build this house. Mike, for your open company now. Mike, color when they this house, go change this color. It too much. Now so this color just the Edo State house. This house, you know the color where this house need now. This house need pure white. You know, you see the zinc, as the zinc could be the roofing, could be this thing. Is it black or ash color, dark ash color, black? Yeah, black. On a two roofing now you use. Me, I don't understand. How can one house go there one compound? Two house there one compound. They use different roofing. They roof the house. I don't they talk because me I be designer. This is too artwork too much for this house. Too much. Why not they like to artwork house like this? Too much. It's too much. If this house they old, now there you come to see the ugliness. You know, say you go see Oyibo now. If they build house and you just build down normal, one can you just fine. If I want build house for Nigeria, now like this, I want to build house. If I want to build house, this is how. If I want build house for Nigeria, now like this, I'll take build the house. May I check out? No, it's too day busy. Simple house. This house, I don't know what you want resemble. Brother Mike, congratulations for this your house, but this color too plenty. How will these people when they color this house for now? Well, I don't see another color. This house need white color. Not be this different type of color. Back, brown, ash color, front, dark ash color. The window, white paint. Inside you want enter. The carton color. You know see color where they want one building. Now they try color where they want building. We can't reach 5 for one building. We can't enter inside the house. Art is too much for here. The art when they draw, it's too much. It's too they busy. Bra Mike, you try, but this house, I give you 45%. Now I give you for this house 45%. If you want to build house, come and meet me. I be this thing. I be art drawing. I can draw house for you. I can do everything for you. No worry. Not just to say, hey, shut up, you too get mad, No worry. Just to say, you need house. I just give you art. I just draw like this. I just give you. Busy. For me, I don't feel build house like this. So if I get money to build house, you know, so I don't get money to build house. But if I get money to build house, no, I don't feel build house like this. No. Even this house safe, if you give me the key of this house, if you dash me, I know they carry the house. The house too busy. If I enter inside, you go be like say I won't fall down. Lovely. Edi Broda agbe waki si we need. It's something too dey busy. It dey make me dey faint. It go dey make me dey get dizzy. I will get dizzy. I will dey fall out. You know, I dey fall out. If something too busy, I'm not like her. This house, if they dash me this house, I know they carry. Instead of you to give me this house, just give me land. I prefer land than to carry this house. True, to be frank as is here. I they carry. I don't like the acting, the drawing of this house. It's too day busy. Nigeria, man, still wake up. Man, still wake up. Una acting of us today they busy. If they make us they keep money for Europe, we don't want to use the money build house again. We don't want to build house. Who is there? I don't chop this money. I don't chop. What I will chop just now? But I say I drink a camel. Bra Mike. No. You want show person yes. As you guy rich, as you advise people rich. Now this house you show person. No. If Bra Mike, if you tell me say lovely care, take this key of this house, I dash you. I know they carry. Just give me ordinary land. Just say lovely. I say this 100 by 50 or 100 by 100 carry. I will rush am for your house, but if you say me I can't carry this house, I no carry. It too dey busy. It too dey this one with this one with Ogbonfo. We not gonna do one way wrong get pass. Oh my God. They know they see good architect for Nigeria again. People when they draw house, they go school that time now. Art, they go draw house for you. They'll come design house for you. They know they see them. Before you know that, before 1 year now, 3 years now, you'll see now this house now will come up for fashion. Then why busy putting act for everywhere, act. Everywhere just full of act. Mike, and this one not the shout. BT say na estate, na Mike why open this one. Mike, I never get to. I not get. But if God bless me, if I won't build, no, this house is too. Congratulations. Congratulations for your house. But if you dash me this house, I know they carry. I'll tell you, say, I bet, just dash me the land. It's too busy. How can you have two houses in a compound? You use different roof, who be that architect? Who be that your engineer? That your engineer, it be like say, if they call this your site, you go first smoke it, bo. Because they call like this. I don't do the house rich. I'm Bra Mike. How can you for one compound, two different zik day? Oh no. Bro. That one when you put the second one where you there, if you stand, the one where there your right hand side, I bet go remove that roofing. That second roofing when you there, that roofing fine. The second one, the roof is not fine. How can you use two different roofs, roof two different house? For one compound, Bra Mike. If na person na roof that house like this now, hey, Bra Mike will say, na two different roof now. No. Your house is qualified. I disqualify your house. You hear? Bra Mike, I disqualify your house. Go change that roofing. Ogbonfo, come here, Ogbonfo, want change your painting. Now you say, come here, Ogbonfo house be like primary school. Oh my God, these people are damn funny. He's the one that said that. Come here, Ogbonfo house is like primary school. The other time, I think it was last year, be early this year, Commander Agbovo celebrated his house. Then I said to Commander Agbovo, I don't know, this your house is just like playground. Another person said the house be like, why can't you guys be patient? Patient, they do a small. Then they correct house. These people don't get correction. You know, say that they correct house. If you they build house now, you'll see some other person go, you'll look at where you go correct. And these people don't they don't have correction. They don't they correct their house. Huh? Now this my eye want just start today. Scratch me again. Why? Bravo. If not just they build as they go, now just they build that. Una build that, no they're not the same people come, make they come correct the house. You know, so if they build house, they will send another engineer go there. Make it go do correction of the house. All those people not just they correct their house at all. Now they look so, and they look where to day your ground? They never sweep They never sweep the ground just be like say na outside where motor they pass. And they talk because my brothers and sisters were there abroad. If you now want build house, but I tell people make they go they check and then they correct house. No correction. They know these people know they correct house. And another one, Nigeria people, they don't know how to paint. They don't know how to paint. The day when I will see money to build house, if I want paint the house, now me go there, go paint up by myself. If you want to paint a house, there is a sellotape. Whenever they do that sellotape, you use that sellotape the place when you don't want make paint enter. You go see glass, their louvers, so their glass, so their sliding door, their sliding window, their door. Everywhere they all use paint they buffer. Why Nigeria not they calm down do something? Why? That is the problem Nigeria have. This is your business. Tell the person when you want to color your house. Okay, see color when they color for this house now. See color when they color for this house now. Maybe now see this corner now. Now see the edge of this corner. If you want color this kind of house, you use sellotape to do up there where that white day. You use sellotape to do one. Then if you come paint and finish, the paint one is supposed to stay this thing, that design. You will come stay sellotape. If you can't remove sellotape, oh my God, you can't see the way when go fine. The day when I go build my own house, I ever get money to build house. So, Bra Mike, I ever get money to build house, but I did Europe. The day when I go build my own house, no. If I carry my house, come out. If I build though, I never build. People go they ask, say, Madam, this your house. Who build that? Now you both can help you build this house. You control your house, you know. You control your house. If you do house, you see say the video will come for you, place where you don't like. You will tell them say this place I don't like, I may una go correct her. These people not the correct house at all. Not the correct house. This design that they put for window now, so you know they straight, you know. You know they straight, you know. If you are a arc design, say you the design, you are an arc designer, you know. You they design acts, you be acts person, you they design. You can tell the person when he give you work, say, this work, now 3 weeks, now I want to do a more, or now 1 month, now I want to do a more. I bet some money when you go pay me. Like this arc of a thing, now you can do it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Hey, good morning, my personal person. We are talking about Bra Mike house. I say congratulations to him, but I don't like the house. If he dash me the house, I'm not going to carry. If he dash me land, where they never build house put, I will carry. I need land. I need somebody to dash me land because I want to build house. I have no land to build house. Put. See my mouth, put. You know, the design is too much. The paint is too much. I understand. Outside, ash color, dark, ash. Is that dark ash? Inside they enter yellow color. What's that? It's too busy. Just give her one color. Congratulations to him. Yeah, but I don't like the house. You know what I don't like for the house? I don't like the color. As this house be, if I use pure white to paint this house. Don't know they see pure white for color for Nigeria. Even this act, this thing what they do for that window, it's supposed to get nice cream color. That one now what it be? Now I check away. Now me color, I don't even understand. Me color, white color, arches color, dark arches color, and carton color for inside. If you enter inside, everything na color. Bra Mike, you not try at all. Oh, Bra Mike, and cream color. Cream color, yeah. Cream color is more, Cream color is good. Wait. Yeah, cream color is good. Yeah. Cream color is a nice color. You see, No. I like white. I like white and this thing. Ash color. You know, say now many ash color now that they see. When they see ash color, when it won't be like blue, you know? We won't be like blue. Will be ash color. This one now, color now. This house, Brahma is supposed to paint this house white, pure white. Color too much, see. How you they paint? Be like say na child play, be like say na small children come paint the house. And the worst, you know, what I don't like about Nigeria people, they will tell you that they know how to do this for house, they know how to do that for house. When you give it to them, the work they're supposed to do for 1 to 2 weeks, they will do it for 3 days. Now they cannot they clean. Yeah, Nigeria acting to decorate house, to put arc for house, to do all those design like this window side. They too they hurry. They do it. You know? Because they're supposed to, maybe this thing now, the person will do this thing now. All about say now 3 days it they do. It's supposed to do that thing for 1 week. When man is that bridge for Africa, white, red, sand blue. Now, no, so as they, you know what? If you floor your this thing, you know why they spoil her? May I tell you know why they spoil her? You know, say if you do your roofing, you need to put this thing for your roofing round. Because if rain they fall, make it not they fall for ground, you know? Now you see Europe now. Now you see Europe. Like, for example, now, you do your ground. You will floor your ground come out. You know, say Nigeria, they too dirty safe. You will floor your ground come out. No matter how that rain go fall reach, it not go reach the wall. And if you roof your house, you go guide the up. Then you get this thing where they put. Whatever they from there, they penetrate, they go down. You know, then you go they come out. But if you come they fall for inside compound, now this something they stay house. Most of house there for Nigeria now. Water not the enter compound, only the one will fall for up, now they enter compound. You know? And Bra Mike, you try for this house, but the color, I don't like her. Which red sand? The red sand. Now house when they no floor. Now in red sand for the con. And the floor. If you come floor house, not only be flooring house. You come floor house. You use white sand with concrete with cement. Take design inside your compound. Do different design. Put my sister. You no go get red sand. House when they don't do now red sand. They stay this thing. And not be all white. If they stay no, not be all white. Most of houses there for this thing now. And if you still do and still get the way when some city they do. But Rama look at who can pray for you? Now our brother oh good boy. Pastor, why not go carry father? Now area pastor, now go see pray for the house. All of you know, it can be like all of you they do the same thing. If I carry father now, all those pastors, just want pray and not tell those pastors, man. Now be this one they say, Now this man, this thing now, Cassie now. Cassie, young and young time, you bet you know, you know, my people. I will go out and just make I just do yes more. Now Cassie, house when Cassie come pray put. Pastor when they drink beer. Oh my God. Nigeria, all of them, they become medio plus Cassie and all of them. They become medio. You know? The paint, okay, how you can't look the paint now? The paint too much. Now see this color. See that? No, this color not good now. You know, if you want to use one color to paint house, use one color to paint. Why using this kind of color? A house, if you want to paint your house, if you want to paint your house, just use one color to paint your house. That is your house. Your house no need design of color. To paint house no need design of color. Say you go use blue, you go use green, you go use red for one house. Are you serious? The color we don't use for this house now, the one when now 3 color 9 day here. Okay, the entrance carry carton color. Then for the dormant carry white. For the building carry ash color. Is that not dark ash color? Then for the second one carry light ash color. Color too much now. Color too much. And the glass, you see this thing, the slice is that slicing window. The slicing window carry black color. Okay, how many color contain now? White, black, ash color, and actually that color. What do you call it? Ash color, 2 ash color, 9 day here now, light and dark. Plus that carton color. Black window, the glass is black. The artwork is white. The mirror is ash color, light. The second one, ash color, black. Another one. Now 5 color. Now they this building now. 5 color. Now they this building. Comédia. Even the pastor na comédia. He say, if this is school, if you don't understand ota mukbedi, okurunu na lola. He say if school see baga, that is baga seeds. He say go use mat telican. You know say school they now then they eat baga well. You know. That pastor, he can speak Bini. He speak Bini past Bini. Oh, that pastor. No, that pastor they speak Bini well. He speak Bini past me. He got another one wey or where we here. Pastor where he there for back, get go sit on top of his body, he come dey kiss her, he come dey drink beer. Jesus, oh, Jesus Christi, any me na ba. We want no hure, where I am a balloon, accuse you, but because one way I egba. You know, see, if I call Johnson Suleiman come, make Johnson Suleiman come pray. All of them are the same. Johnson Suleiman with this pastor, they be this character. Johnson Suleiman. Now 2 times in a year, and I eat the colo, yo colo. Oh my God. Johnson Suleiman never come. Make people go gaga this year. This year, Johnson Suleiman never throw away one hand this year. Never throw away, no. This year, he just come. I just say, this only way they throw in brain. I just say, he don't cure. This Nigerian people. Johnson Suleiman. Hey, that man. They are funny. These people, they are very funny. Mike, I tell you, don't build house now. I beg. If they do your comedy, I just go beg you. They use share they sit down. See as you can't old finish. See as you old finish, it might be like that man when they act movie. That old actor. I remember huh? That old man sit there. If you not they look movie, you not know the man when they talk. Which movie that man at that time? Like I said, the man de Guinea Glory. That man de Guinea Glory that year. He de Guinea Glory. Better pass. We get mad too. But Michael better pass off before. Do you know what's the problem with these people? They do competition and their competition becomes zero. They don't they settle that you can build your house for 5 years. Building your house for 5 years doesn't mean that you don't have money to do that. Will I say this man won't pay me? Doesn't mean that you don't have money to build that house fast. You know, when you are building a house sometimes, then they see error. You do see error. Then that error, you correct it. Another person will come and correct that error. You know? Another person will come correct the error. These people know they correct error at all. I will say, if I don't go Nigeria now, say I don't base for Nigeria, I will get this contract. Anywhere, I will get my contract, get my office. Anywhere where they build house, I'll go there. Any error where they, I will mark and say, this place get error. If you truly put your mind down, you'll not say get error. One, the people when they paint for Nigeria, they don't know how to paint. They don't know how to paint. If you want, they're supposed to do that. May I show you now the sellotape when they take the paint and they come. Oh, I'll take that sellotape because I don't want. Oh, my son did there. My son, he did there. I don't want to put my son there. He did there. You know, this sellotape. I don't know whether Nigeria get sellotape. Then they do that sellotape. If you want paint house, like the door, that edge of door, you use the sellotape. Take cover around, use and take sellotape on. Like that corner now, like that corner when they up now. The up when they where they draw that this put, they do arts put so. They'll use sellotape, take sellotape on. Enter inside, they just sellotape on. If they can't paint and finish, they can't remove the sellotape. Man, you go see the beauty of the painting. Like that window now. as that window be now, if they want paint that this thing now, on top of that window, they'll use sellotape. Take sellotape on. Go the right side, carry a come down like this, sellotape and go, you just sellotape that side. If they come paint on, then you can remove the sellotape. You'll see the way when you go fine. Then the paint, you don't go come the stain. You see up now. You see say that paint when they take paint now stay up for here. If I do house for Nigeria, anybody when want paint that paint, I'll tell them say make you go find that sellotape, make it do one. Me, no, I'll control more because I'm money you spend. If you want to do it, you say, Mata, I'll say, no, tell me, I know what they talk. I will use Nigeria, I will use Oyibo mentality for them. Before you are a painter, before you want to paint this house, see the way one will take sellotape. You can do that sellotape for a day, you know, to sellotape all the whole corner. To sellotape all the whole corner, you can do it for a day. You just sellotape the house for the whole corner where you know say you want paint. You just sellotape and that's how you both they do one. You know, all those that window side, all those one. Now not be saying now all now you use a sellotape all the whole wall. No. Now this thing now you use a sellotape all the ankle when they here. Now see the this when they here. That one, so wear paint, see wear paint. I will say they put sellotape now, They use sellotape before they paint, and if they paint after they can't remove the sellotape. You will see how the paint go take fine. You see how, and they paint the building now, then they paint the wall, now you can't go they touch that up. You see how? The man get big eye. Okay, the man get big eye. You know, that's it. Nigeria people, they too they hurry they build house. Una know if they just they build house, una know they even go check una know they even see mistake. You know, so if they build house, then they do correction for house. You will see and they go video and for you go check and you say no, this place I don't like this place. They go correct her. If not money, you must correct her. And Nigeria people, they too they hurry comment. Yeah, come as we meet people. See. Yeah, you see that Commodore Bavo house? Commodore Bavo, you don't need all those sharp color for that house. You don't need sharp color. The color when Ogbavo need for that house, now white. If Ogbavo use white color to paint that house, oh man. That house, it go be like, it go fine. But that house not be estate too. Those people don't know what it be estate. If they build 4 flat, they'll say 4 flat na estate. Do you know what is estate? You know what it be estate? Estate, they know they pass estate finish. These Nigerian people don't even know what is estate. Estate, that they drive car inside. They go they'll open the gate. They'll say this is enemy estate. If they want to talk, they'll say they build mansion. They build estate. Do you know what is mansion? Do you know what is estate? You build 4 flat. 4 flat not be mansion. 4 flat for ground. 4 flat, 2 for year, 2 for year. Not be mansion. When you have like a very big this thing, you have house this side, you have house this side. People when it rent for the house, if they enter. Now motor they'll take drive enter. And then they say estate, so estate like this, so estate like this, because he big house when he did that estate, he pass 20. Now be you get 1 apartment, you say na estate, you have apartment. You don't even see Europe. Europe go build house. Then you go reach 34 this thing. 34-story building. They know they call an estate. Now flats. Now that they call them. They'll say this one are 30 flats. I'm worship. Good morning. Are you there? Well, if you reach Ogbavo, Comedia, this thing, tell them say make you use white to paint that house. That Commander Ogbovo house, since I was born, I never see house like that. It be like, mommy, are they here now? You have been making noise in my video. Stop! Lock that door. You see, tell Commander Ogbovo may use white to paint that house. There is no color Commander Ogbovo go use when you go take paint that house when you go fine. Once house big, you need white paint to paint it. Now those flat, 3-bedroom flat, 4-bedroom flat, one that they put for ground, now all those color they match because why? The house now short house, now short building. Now those color now they match. All those ash color, brown, all those color. You not gonna fit just use as a whole building. Upstairs go just stand. You all use yellow take pattern. You know make sense. You call you a whole upstairs. You use yellow take paint upstairs. I go do. It's not fine. If you want to paint a very big house, why are you looking at me? If you want to paint a very big house, use white take pattern. Man, you don't finish that house be that. Like this one now, when this guy built now, like the color when Pack put now, the color too much. You could have used one of those two color. You go use and take one. Even that yellow when you go put for inside, that is it yellow color or be brown? I don't know, brown color. You're not even supposed to put brown color. How can one building have 5 color? One building have 5 color. Like the color when it dey inside, if you want to enter inside, when it did the passage, why you not use that color to paint the house? If you still match am. Down, use them for passage, use white for entrance, use ashes color for the body, use another ashes color for the body, use black, can't use black, they do window. Why you not use this ash color for glass? Or you will just use glass, plain glass, without no color. You go fine. Okay, what I want to say. Not too they hurry. I will tell now. Well, I never build house, so I don't get bet. If you want build now, with all those things when they see, make sure that they give us encouragement. Like me now, this house now, I don't feel build this kind of house. I never get money to build house, so I don't feel build this kind of house. But for Bra Mike, that is what Bra Mike like. But I don't feel like this house. The artwork is too much. Everywhere, artwork. It's too much. If this house is getting old now, you will see the ugliness. Why can't just do this thing? If you want to just put artwork, just put one artwork. Not be different artwork. This thing where you do now, the stone, when it do the entrance, the marble when it do the entrance, that is the marble stone, when it do the entrance. It still be different color. Plus that one and a 6 color. And I don't take this my house. 6 color. At the same time, 2 house they inside compound. I think this house should be 4 flats like that, something like that. 2 building. What I have to say, 2 building they inside one compound. It used 2 different roofing. Take roof them. Waiting now. Now can't show us so people like. People can see it. People will not tell you. If people tell you now, they'll say, I go say, bro, I not go talk. Maybe they not come say, they jealous you. You cannot have 2 houses in one compound, Bra Mike. You use 2 different zik. Take zika. You could have maybe one is expensive than one. Then you could have used the cheap one. Use that do the 2 building. You go be the same zik. This one different zik. This one different zik. Oh my God. If I reach this place, they'll say, lovely, make I come here. Make I come give this house rate. I'll put this thing bad. I'll cross out like this. I'll put bad. Because when I build house for Nigeria, it be like say no. tree. E be like say waiting tree. When you anyway, e be like say you be human be like me. Mama. The time when they do get that, I will just see small children for road. You know, say when your area now, they will happy that sister, good morning, sister. I say open your teeth. I say you brush today. You say yeah. You say sister. I say me I say you not brush now. I don't believe they your teeth. So hey, sister, I say and they won't go out. I won't go brush. You go reach out. You go to brush. Me. If they finish, I say come here and see your hand. Who soup your mama cook? I just see her. Now bala be like goosey. Go say sister. I never eat though. I say no, you eat. See your chest, soup day. Oh yeah, go house, go bath. You know, I know how to laugh with me. They mock children. If I dey mock children, they get joy. You know, even when I get my last born, that's my boy. And then I say, you ugly, sha. See the way you take ugly. You too ugly. They say if you born your pikin go ugly for where, and if I born my pikin go fine. Even people when they go church together go say, this woman, as they yap children rich. If he born, children go fine. The yap when they yap, they laugh. Not be say, they really jab. They say maybe I not like them. Me, I like children. Well. But now the one when senior me. No, the one when I senior. And that one I can't like. That one like children. That one. Wow. Mommy, this one when they don't know up down. What is going on? The one when senior me when they London, you go buy one Fanta. If not 10 children they there, all of them go drink am. He go say they not they drink am belle full, just feel it. That's what my brother did. Oh my God, that's my brother. I go laugh. He go come cut bread, he go bring train. He go count, then go cut the bread, he go put am. He go cut the bread. If there be 10, he go cut the bread for train. Then he go take like 3 cup. You go put on top of this thing, you know, for house now, get where they put this. Now you can't put her, you go come put, you go say, oh yeah, you can't drink, this one can't drink. They don't they rush, oh. Don't they rush? No. When those small children, they read there with my brother that year. Don't they rush? No, just African, they'll just take their own, they go come out. This one will take their own, they go come out. This one will take their own, they will come out. If they take and they will just sit down for ground. They'll also free chop. If they don't chop bread finish, yeah, it don't reach for coke. Now so they'll sit down. My brother go they put on small. I know that my brother no child. Now so if he with his son they play today, I go laugh like so will come sit on top of his head. Child, I say child, this is still there your blood. That Fanta so, all of them go drink and they go enjoy them and they go happy put. You see, if my brother travel, say now 1 week or 2 weeks, they reach our house, they come our house. Brother never come. Don't come sit down for our house. I can't they look there. I can't say, okay, make una take money, make una go buy bread and Fanta come. They can't go buy bread and Fanta come. The senior one when they inside, I can't tell that one, so yeah, can't they share them. You see, you will come share them for day. I will come they laugh. You know, some people there, you know, this life is good to be good in this life. Anything you do in this life, even if say your house food there, food not there your house but the little one will not get. If children come play for your house, give it to them. Oh. If I don't like video sometimes, people know me, my people will be say, we chop for the same plate. Small children. If I see them today, I say, small children of 5 years, that time, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, Seriously, they don't be big boy. You get one for inside. That one our last bone. That one our last bone. That one. That one our last bone. Now, so my people, that is life. Now, this my sister just still be. So it be like say, now talk, now we talk reach there. Don't say if I dey talk, I don't dey forget. It be like say you be like me, oh. Ojuku. It be like say you just be like me. Me, if I yab you, if I yab you, even if say me with you now, you dey go out now, just look. I say, wait you can say you dey wear now. My friends that don't know me, they say, I beg your man go that side. I beg your man go that side. You don't start your crazy again. I say, now wow. I don't just like this the way they they'll say I like her. Now lie, they'll come change her. Once I talk finish, they must change her. They must change her. They'll say you don't already put your mouth. And if they don't change her, yeah, they must change her now. My friends, they know me now. If I won't eat for your house now, I'll first test her. I'll say, they'll say, it's waiting not day. I'll see test her like this. Oh my god! Oh my god! He got one of. Where did you go? Now one day you go enter this man, this thing. They go shop there your beauty. Hey, they don't see you. What? You don't have anything there. That clothes is dirty clothes. What do you want? Your singlet, go inside your wardrobe there. Your singlet is, you know, there no cannot answer again there. Or even me, so anyway, everyone we wear guano. You singlet you wear guano, but wear guano. Where water man? This stuff is wear guano. They go. And it's also even. Your singlet go enter me. This one, check inside your this thing. He did there. We're not a disturb person. You got all of my girlfriend. That one. If you put food for mouth, I'll do like this. If you dey chew, I'll come to do like this. You'll say, why be say anytime we person they chop, come eat. No, you not go eat. You go dey look the way we person take the chew mouth. May you say tomorrow, may you come see, come take the laugh person say now so you take the chew mouth that day. That one don't know me. Go say you. I bet I not just dey look you again. If you dey chew mouth, I say I can't do like this. I can't dey look am. You go say I not go chop again. If you dey chop if person dey eat I dey like am. If person dey eat busy with him mouth, I will dey laugh small. I dey like am. My girlfriend go say, you not go eat. You not go let you go eat. That my girlfriend, she can cook. Whoo! Naija be. She can cook, but you not gonna enjoy food. Why you not enjoy food? Pepper. Oh my God! If you dey chop with the pepper, and it's not gonna do. I see shabu be one buy now. You do put pepper for this food. No. So tell you guy come talk say, oh yo, when I go order the bar, but no one pepper they follow you they chop. You know how to cook, but eat pepper die. Pepper 20 euro pepper no reach and take cook. No. I never see person like that. 20 euro pepper. And so now so you just be. I shall say you be my type. You be my type. I can yap something. Yeah, I know I too yap. Only the way when I tell they look you. If I say you won't look me out, they do another thing. And they do another thing. They look you like this, so. And they look you like this, so. If I just say you won't look me, I'll do like this. I rather say, I say, look me. Not they do another thing. Now, be this house when our brother built. Congratulations. If your break come down now, when you use chair sit down, look and where. I shall say that is the way when Nigeria take the build house. But I don't feel build house like this. Allah, I swear. I feel build house like this. I don't feel build house like this. Lie. Lie. You know, I don't feel painting. The building of this house, the design is too much. It's too much. You know, so when you have design for a house, when the house come dey old, you want the renovator. Now you go see work. No say to renovate house sometimes, na money money. Now you take the renovate house. If you want to renovate your house, na money, Like people when build house years back, if they need this roofing now, you know how much this roofing now great by great. Now this roofing be. Someday when you go roof, before you roof and finish, you don't spend 7 million. Someday before you roof and finish, you don't spend 8 million. Now this roofing be. No matter how the house go small rich. But you know what they do our people? They do competition. Una competition too much. You build house for your taste. Don't build house for competition. Color too much. Too much. How can you have two houses for one compound? You use two different roofing. They roof the house. Are you serious? What is that? What's that? Who is that your engineer? Who engineering you like that? You can use two roofing for one compound. Two different roofing for one compound. It disqualified this house. Because if two gates, I will say two gates did this house now. You go from this one enter here, this one enter here. If you tell person say, now you get these two house, you go say, na lie. You no go believe. Because na two different roofing. Now those houses carry. Yes, it's too much money to. It take a lot of money to renovate house, It take. That is on house. That time when you build that time, say when you even roof yourself, you don't even reach 500,000. If you want roof now, say now the cheapest one, not the cheapest one, not be that roofing where they say 500,000, where it be like when they make by figure. Say you want roof that, say you want renovate and say you want put normal zinc. You say you want put beautiful zinc, you go wait till you go 4 million. You know, let on high. If it high, then we go come up for up high. Don't let that high low. Now money. You know, say, you know the problem these people is they lie too much. These people they lie too much. They go do house for money when you know if you reach 30 million naira. They go tell you say na 100,000 naira they take doing. This guy these two guy house, they say na 7 million naira. 700 million. Now they do 700 million naira. Now they do this house. Are you serious? Now company, these people now even know what it be 700 million. When you look the roof now, the roof not high. Because they see roof when high come up for ground. Then they'll come mention the tile roof where you want a roof on. Some people don't know that they shout, hey, that your roof, that roof when you did there, I want roof on. If the person tell you say, na 7 million naira, you say na lie. See that person when roof you that day, that person say na 4 million naira, 90 roof on. Why you come be 7 million naira? Check this thing, the height. Just check the height. Because they have to measure the distance for you. Check the height. Now what people don't know. Some people they get low roofing. Some people they get high roofing. Now high roofing, now dear pass low one. Because don't be the say yaks, don't be B. You know? Now what thing? I'm say 5 million. 500 million. Okay, but if say na 500 million, I take do it house. For where? I beg you. Where? That one where? I I don't know. I don't know where's the boss. You're asking me. Hey, not to put for my ear. If you don't see the boss, can't you bath without no boss? Must you look for the boss every day? And one day I will remove that boss. The second one, you people, you didn't look for it. You know, it's not 500 million. Now they build the house. Ask where you for see money. If they want to tell you now, they say na Facebook now where you for see 500 million. When they build that house, I beg. 500 million. I they build that house. Now so Nigeria bill. If Nigeria buy something of 50,000, they will tell you say now 500,000. Now they build that. You know what they do these people. Don't listen to them. If you listen to these people, you will not build your own. No, but now they listen to them. I know to build a house can be expensive. Not 500 million. What will be 500 million? What did they happen? What will be 500 million? 500 million. Now they do that house. What did they that house? What did they? Huh? What did they that house? That one when that upstairs where you say they drink. Now that one take how much that one take? That one not big now. That one not just this thing now. That one not carry room to rooms now. That one not get this thing now. They just build and go up. How many bag of cement it a deck? Ask how many bag of cement it a deck that building? How many bag of cement it a deck? Now you go ask. Okay, Ogbavo say, okay, Ogbavo, okay. I just said that not Ogbavo say na 5. Okay, Ogbavo say na 500 million. 500 million for this house. Not mind that. He get one boy. You know, say he get one boy where they say to build house no good. It's not an investment. To buy land not be an investment. That boy when they talk, the other day now he come to show people say he don't go buy land. To buy land na investment. To buy house na investment. To do this one na investment. I say not be you very they talk say no be investment. Now one person come right come for comment. I can't hit to the person comment say. So they believe this boy. Not mind them, my sister. If you get suffer, go they put money small. They too they talk lie. They have to say 5 million. You ask them what they do. What did they do? Now normal house when normal young boy go build. Now that they build. You know? Now that they build. Papa, Lord that this thing. Oh, on Pokana. You don't they play this thing. Now so that they talk, not mind them. Suffering because they put your money small. Your suffering they do a small. If they'll tell you say they do house 70 billion. Maybe they talk say they get money. He do that house 500 million. Why the compound? Why no floor the whole compound for outside? Jonah plants. Jonah. You know see one house when one Benin guy do one fair Benin guy like that. Man, that guy finished that house. Now pure white. Now that guy they do that house. That guy redo that guy now bro that guy there. I don't know where that guy did. That guy he do that house. He finished that house. That house enter my eye. Now that kind of house now they like. This house be like the way I tell they do all those houses, it be like new village design. And all of them they use new village design. Ogbavo, that one. Ogbavo. Ogbavo don't see the house. To be honest, to be frank and sincere, Ogbavo don't see the house by itself. Say, Ogbavo house. No. What Ogbavo for do? Ogbavo for don't use that house take them to school. The paint, Ogbavo say, but Ogbavo give excuse for the paint when it a paint house. Do you see say, I thought say, these people, they hurry too much. There is some people, This, they don't do house since now. They don't see stop for there. Gather money, you know. Some people now, they don't roof their house. They don't plaster around. They don't do everything. Maybe for painting now, they never see money for painting. They go pause until they see money for painting, the painting of their choice, you know. What Ogbavo said is his own case. Ogbavo said that when he completes the house, then it's only paint that he can remain for him to paint. The money was not sufficient. It was not enough. What Ogbavo for do? Ogbavo for still give himself like 6 months. Or maybe Ogbavo come to say where he go rent house. He no want pay rent again. You know, he no want pay rent again. I make him rush. But I will say he repay that rent again for 1 year. He go no 1 year. He don't pass. That he go gather money. You know? Go gather money. If you tell the man say, now 6 months now I get to, landlord will say, okay, you never get 1 year. You say no, you say, now 6 months money now I get now, take. Maybe for that 6 months, you get money when you take paint your house. If you paint finish, if you tell the man say, you won't move, come out to, the man will say, okay, no problem. But what you Ogbavo do? And see the house. Okay, no see the house. Ogbavo has no fine, like. Ogbavo house. Even he say, the most jealous person on this earth. The most jealous, I don't say, that they see people with the jealousy. The most jealous person on the earth will be say, he dey jealousy everything. You know, if he jealous of Ogbavo, he go say, I bet waiting that they use this one to know. The guy not try for that house. Nah. I don't even know what that guy built. I don't know. Why put it after you have a downstairs? Why putting upstairs for security? What's that? What's that? Who be that contractor when he help and do that house? Ogbavo Children's School and not Ogbavo House Children's School or no church. And just like children's school, do you know the architect that draw that house? The person when he just bring that plan come out, that person no go school at all. They need to go to school. You know, you learn things when you go to school. You have more wisdom. They teach you. They do drawing of a thing. You know, they just say, I want to use my head. Can't they do one? Then you see some people. For me, if I want to design a house, if I want to do anything about house, I need somebody that go to school. Maybe the person that go to school, he said, I'm taking 300,000. Then the person that we just they do one for your idea, when they use your idea, that person will say, make I give her 200,000. Now the one of 300,000 now go give. I will not say yes. He go to school. Who go school of something, with who just learn from person when he go to school, not be the same. There is some people that they work, follow person. Through them, and they can get some idea of those things. Then later now, if you just do one, if you just use one person take try, and one person house take try, everybody will just go there, you get the one we do for me, oh. Now 200,000. Oh. That one will say, the one will say you want to do for me. That one now 300,000. Too dear. You say, no, do one. You too dear. No, that 300,000 I good part. Because now that one I get the real idea. Now that one get tools. Now that one go fit sit down. Put this thing for ground. Design what you want. You go design and say, is this how you want it? If you say no, this is not how you want it. He can redraw it again. And he go meet his fellow friend when they still go at school together. They will put their hair together and they will draw it. It will be perfect. I prefer to pay 300,000 to do it than to pay 200,000 just because I need a cheap labor. Cheap labor not dey good for something. It's somebody when you know how. You know, so that they see people that is qualified in building. They go to school. If you can't reach this boy house now, this Mark house now, the man go just put bad like this. Bad. Cancel. You go just put cancel. No, there is nothing. They're not they try. They be patient people. They're not the patient. How can you just carry house like this? Come for this 21st century. They see they build house like this. Not they build house like this. If you see some houses when some people they build, you go fine, man. If you see some houses, you get one house when I see. If you see that house, I keep on. I said the day when I want get money when I'll take buy build house. Now that pattern I will use. Even if say now old day, even if say now 5 years old, now I can see money. Oh. Now 10 years time, oh, now I can see money. Oh. Now that pattern of house now I need. It clean finish. See the floor. See the floor. It clean finish. They too they hurry. They just say hurry. Make the enter air. No. Do your things. When you do your things, you know, they quit the hurry to congratulate them. These people they too need congratulation. No, calm down. I don't feel do house like this. Oh. No, I don't feel do house like this. If I do something, you do it for me, I go check her. If I check her, I say no like this. No, I don't like her. Like this, no, I don't like her. I just tell you, say, no. And not try. Now today, you know, say, now they dead there. You know, say, Nigeria dead there. For Nigeria, you know, say, people will say the house fine. For me, color too much. And artwork too much. How can artwork full everywhere? Why? Eh? Even if say me I want draw artwork put for window, you know go high. Artwork when I want draw put for my window, it go be like this thing. Ruler, no ruler. It go be like ruler level. And they'll take draw the this thing. Ruler level. Yes. Then when you do one, you see that glass. You see this slicing glass. So not be slicing glass you get. You can't see and you come out. If like the person when draw this window now, this window when they here so, if you see am now, how many this thing dey now, how many steps dey now, make una count am. It too big. If I want draw this act for my window or this thing for my window, I will tell them, say, make they do one, it go flat, you know? It go flat. As it flat so, they will come design now. It will be like ruler be. They will use something to take measure. They get this when they take the measure. Use ruler to take measure. Then it will come flat. Then they will come use something to take designer like this. Yeah, they will get the way when they take designer like this. If now Versace now you want put to anything when you want put to, they go designer for you. And when you do and feel, it will be like say it joined something with war. They did together. Then you can't see the glass. I don't see the slicing window. You can't see the way we go take fine. This thing with the slicing window will be like say they level together. If you see this one now, the slicing window go inside. Make you know say I be artist. I know when it comes to fashion, I know how well. When it comes to drawing, I know how well. When it comes to drawing. When I did primary school that time, now all those things, they my eye, all those acting of a teen, drawing something of a teen, all this I can't do you know. You see, if you now see what they talk, now people will say, yes, this woman, you are right. Like this draw now, when they when they act for this window now, they're supposed to do one. They'll just do one. Use a ruler. No as ruler be now. You know as ruler take flat. They'll use ruler to put the design for there. Then you say as if I this one how many day now? From what reach one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. It come like this. You see, Then the window can't go inside. Then what is the need of putting this window? This window not supposed to go inside. Come be like say that artwork, it cover this window. Now understand so? Be like say the artwork cover the window. And that glass now supposed to flat with the wall together. Now so it's supposed to be. Now me I will give person work, say go help me work like this. I will tell her, say see what I want. Fair use one window to try and what I want. If you not doing like that, I'll tell her, say bro, I bet cancel one again. I don't need that. We free quarrel. Now so it reach. Yes. I'll pay you half money. If not 300,000 until they do, if not 400,000 until they do, I pay you 400. When you are done with the job, I give you the remaining 200. And if I don't like it, then you redo it again. Let's be honest. People when you to know the meaning of house, you see the beauty of that window now, of that slicing window. If not be slicing window, get for them. And the beauty of it now, it not come out. Because why? It go inside. Because the artwork is too much. How can you use slicing window? The artwork dey like this. It's not supposed to dey like that. It's not supposed to dey like that. You get one house when you dey my area. Or you both do artwork put for the window. You know, so you both know they too much do artwork. But that house, they put artwork for that house. Man, if you see her. If you did the house, may I tell you, if you did the house, if you did the house, you go there from the window, they see leaf. You go there see another tree, breeze go they carry, something they fly, they come, you there from window, they see her. This one now go inside. How can artwork cover your slicing window? Your artwork don't supposed to cover your slicing window. No, it don't work like that now. This house, bro, you try, but for me, no. If I be this to say, I be people where they check on property when fine. When person build house finish, they'll say, make I can't go read results. I want to talk about. Make I can't go show put. Many places they when I go mark for this house, here bad. This side bad. Here bad. Here bad. Like this window now is bad. This window now is bad now. This video is bad. The person that do this artwork make it go back to the place where it for learner. How can you this window? You can't go inside. Why you go inside? Not supposed to go inside now. The window will come out. Even with the art, this thing, they go get together, flat together. You go see the beauty of this slicing window where you put. Now they do something, now we'll carry money, now we'll use our money, now we'll spoil the money. The day when this one will come settle down now. You know, landlord now say now two different zik, 90 zik, two house when they cycle up and do. The day when you come to say, now two different zik, 90 zik house. People will tell us, say, what's this? Why you use two different zik, 10 zik house? Two different zik, two house there inside one compound. You use two different zik, 10 zik. Are you insane? You know where? Huh? Are you insane? No, man. What's that? I know. No. It's disqualified. You try for your effort. You just build house. Normal now house now they build for Nigeria. Now you take build. You don't build the house of taste. Say, no, the people they build their own house of taste. You don't see some people. They will build and finish. If they see another one, they'll say, no. This frontage, I don't need that again. You get one frontage when I see. Now that one I need. Then you go tell the engineer, say, I bet, how you want to do this? The engineer will say, you go fit correct. Then they fit correct house. You go correct. The one went there before you can't remove, and the one where you want, they will come put on. Now to just do my money, now you go spend for them. Because you got to spend money. But, that zik, not try. Or I try. Now, you not try for the zinc. Can you use two different zinc, the zinc house for one compound? Are you serious? What's that? Are you normal? Maybe one is expensive more than one. You could have used the lowest price. Use and take do house. You know, if I use the one where you know say your money go cash. The boy they do like village boy. Yeah, this is also my personal passion. Yeah. It be partly Igbo. You know, they go Igbo land. You know, they see where Igbo land will put house for ground. Una me go say, una. That one when you just put for that nonsense, just go comment am. I don't take am. One small thing for house, people when know what it be fashion, what it be design. One small thing for house, you free brick water. You go just sack the contractor. The contractor go dey beg. Only one chicken thing. You see some people that they check house. Oh, no. I must, if I dey do, I never started to do. If I dey do, I must check my own. my brother go say you, sister. They don't even follow you do something. My charger did that. See that these children, I don't understand. I go arrange. You children they grow up now, they worst too. You children small, If they put cloth, they will go put up for where they put this thing. If all those one went in my house put cloth, they throw one for grand. Whether it come be like saying, I mean, come they spoil them more. That's it, though. I don't come my area. Like they all see. I just come out. I want to go do my hair. I want to go and do my hair. You know that, yeah. And what? He say, in one talk, he say people laugh. The house when my mom build, when you go give him my mom bag of fries, people come they laugh. Now you don't build this one, bro. Now they listen to what people they talk. Like me, I only listen to what people they talk. They don't laugh me, laugh. Then they say they don't tire to they laugh. More than they laugh me, more and they bring all that thing come when they go they laugh. Yeah, people can laugh. And most people, when they laugh you, they don't be like you. That is it. Now you can't hurry now. You can't hurry build this house. And now, me at the laugh, you say, the contractor, when you give them this house, no. Nigeria, until they go, Nigeria, they crazy. They know they settle down, do things. You know, you have to settle down, do something. You know? Settle down, do something. You see this my city room, man. Now me do this city room. Painter. When I look, you see this wall when this wallpaper where it here. Now me put this wallpaper. You see this wallpaper. Now you have to line it. You have to. If you see do one small, you see there's something they make you go crazy. You calm down. Now you see Oyibo. If there's something that they make Oyibo just dey crazy, say they don't fit do what they just do. I just take like 5 minutes. They go think. Why this thing not be like this? Nigeria also make they just do and put her like that. Come out. No. You don't see. Look, you see the window now. You see the window. They say they build. They say they do house like this. Don't they do house like this now? See the window. No, they not try. Mike. The person when do this thing, not try. See the window. The window not fine. Not fine. Did this thing too push go inside? It's supposed to come out. Because too much of artwork, too much. You know how many inches it take? You know how many inches? Okay. Something you take inches like this. Inches like this. To deep. Then your window come there inside. And although your window, people when they use that slicing window, all those fine window, that they do and make they use and they design their house. But now, you're acting now, now it can be designed. Not be that window can't be the design again. You're supposed to have a little bit of this art design. And let's say, for example, you're supposed to have like 10% of the arty design, and the window will be like level and a half. Now see, level and a half, 10%, level and a half. You see the way when they take close, the art will be 10, then the window will be plus 2 plus 1.5. It will come be level and half. You'll see the way when the window, that glass, now you'll see the way when you go take come out. You can't be like, say, now the art when they draw for that house now, the window can't go inside, that one can't push come out, then you not can see the beauty of the window. You see, now we waiting, I see for this house now. The rest now, may I still go bring the rest, whether I will see the rest. Because if you want build house, you say, Mama, see, I will see another one again. Plus, I will see another one again. Our pastor don't open door put. I don't see another one again. I'll be clean shorter. Now the same did there. Now the same. Now the same. You don't see him. Now the same. Now did there. Yeah. And the zinc, this thing when do, the roofing when it do, you can't use two different roofing. We are just saying it because our brothers and sisters went there abroad. In case if you now want to build her, you are right, man. Okay, thank you, my personal person. You know, if they talk sometimes, people will feel say, not jealousy. I'm not the jealousy. Oh. The day when I go know say I'm not the jealousy, if they come, people will say, now I make lovely. They talk like this. You look at now, eh? My personal person, when you look at now, the window can't day inside. That window not supposed to day inside. You see, the window not supposed to act too much. You know, say window, eh? You know, say when you do as this window day so, eh? You get where I want to do one now. I feel use my own to do one now. I don't feel use my own to do one. I don't feel my own to do one. This our pastor, he dey shy you. Na pastor wey dey shy you. If you shy you finish, go dey shout. Hey, ọ̀tá mi pẹ́ tí yàn kúrú nù náà lọ́la. You know where ọ̀kìn àgbẹ̀ mi, ẹni ní àdégbẹ̀ wù gbó. Oh my God. Yeah. The window now, you know, the acting now, the art draw. How will I say it? Sister, can you help me write it there? The art design now when they put, it can't cover the window. You see, it can't cover the window. That they build house like this again now. Waiting now. Even he say, we not see money still take build them. We still know say, we still not say many people there, they don't get money, oh, they get taste, but they don't get the money to get that taste. But if you do, people can't tell you, say, not be like this, or not be like this, or maybe some can they say, na jealousy you there, na jealousy you there. Not be jealousy. Look this thing. You cannot just put act for us like this. 2021, now this say act. 2022, now this say 2023 again. This say, well, I'm not gonna bring another. This thing can reduce. Just reduce this thing too much. No. It's too much. Not see the level. See the level when they come up for this thing for war. You don't see the level when they come up for war. What is that? Now my cream. Mommy, is my cream, though? Give me my tea. Give me and give you this thing. Yeah. Give me knife. Where is the small knife you used yesterday? You know that knife is very sharp, eh?
I put it together with the other one.
It's not there. I was looking for it. I didn't find it. No, you look for it also that knife is very sharp, eh? It's sharp as razor blade. No person. Give me knife. You see, huh? Now that act now, you can't cover the window. Now so before first just bring their own. I don't even know. Oh no, you do not build long time. Second one you want show me. The second one I want show you. Eh? No, give me knife. This sellotape is too strong. I don't want to use my strength. Okay, you say I want to show you. No. My brother self. My brother. Oh yeah, hold it. My brother go say you. Then if he follow you buy something. Yeah, you let me open. Go say you. Yeah, now. You see, sister, my sister, you see her now. You see her. They act too much. That first one is okay. The first one is okay. When you see the under, the first one is okay. The second one, that one, they don't need that. No, that first one is okay. When I will say not let that first one, and you will see the way this slicing window. You see the way when you go take come out. You see the fashion very well. You see, you see the fashion. I have my cream. The other time they give me, they put soap for me, and that was gift. Come and check it. I don't think they put today. I don't think they put today. I have my cream. You guys can see my cream. You cannot see it. My Q Plus. Now they use for my face. Another cream not they go for my face than this Q Plus. If I get this cream, oh my god. Where's your temperature? If I got this cream, I don't get problem. They go for my face well. You know, that's it. We have done. Congratulations to you, Brown Mike. When next time, this is don't reach this one, no. Next time, I beg. The way when I tell they present on our house, we are not they present on our house where. You know, the way when those people they present their house, get as it be. Like this house when you present so, elderly men supposed to be here. Yeah, elderly men supposed to be here. Now elderly men are supposed to do this place. Even if say pastor there, elderly men supposed to be here because you want to open the house. The people when you do the area, they go come. Elderly men go there. Elderly men not do your area. They go come now. I want your bamo your cho. Maybe choice. Ogbavo, if you see this video, I bet my brother. No, they talk say you build that state. No, they talk say you build that state. No, they tell us. Now people when they never build, now they tell us say they build their state. Some people there that they build house, they're not the show. You know, they're not the show. Some people there that they build house. Okay, look the house where look the front of the gate. Yeah, the cream is very good. Yeah, it's very good. I've been using this cream for so many years. No cream when I would touch my face. Did you know? This cream, I think I started using this cream 2010. Yeah, 2010. Then I dey use this thing, Crusader cream still they good for my face. Way. No, they good. No, I know say they not they see better one good. Then I will use Crusader. Then when the cream come finish, I can't go one shop, you know. I can't reach the shop. I can't tell the woman say I want to buy a face cream. And do you have a Crusader? You can't just say no, you know, get. I can't say, oh my God. And the city when I did that time, now 3 Africa shop dey there. They no dey into cream like that. You know, say some Africa shop they no dey into cream like that. But now only one dey into cream like that. You know, the woman it be from Zaire. It come be like say they bleach her hair. You know, people when they bleach, you can see cream for that for shop. But if they put on for inside shop, then I go tell am say, which cream I want come use now? Say I no dey use any hair cream for my face. Say na only that cream just dey good for my face. You come talk say, okay, wetin you go do? You get another cream now. Say people dey use am, but some people dey complain say e no good, but some people dey say e good. Now you come tell me say make I take this cream. I can't take am. You know when you dey change cream, it must to dey give you, you know, e go scatter your face. Then I no get any means to get the real cream when I dey use. Then I got to stick with that this Q plus. I can't use am. Man, it can't change my face, you know. Can't change my face. Then I can't still continue to use am. They continue to use am. Now so I just take the use am. It can't reach today. I don't use another cream again. Even if I get spot for face, you can see spot for my face. If this don't finish, the people don't finish, you will just see clearer. Now so they clear my face well. Then you can't get one cream when I dey use. If I get those rashes for my face, then I just go to my doctor. My doctor will just write the cream for me. Then I will put small one inside, small. Because if you put plenty one inside, it will make you yellow well. I mean, me myself, I don't want yellow well. I just want to remove all those spots when in my face. You see, huh? I don't just know where to carry the spot come. See? Me when not the get spot. I don't know. I don't know what I use when I give me spot. It's 2006. If you buy this body cream face cream every time, 100 euro. That's you. Yeah. Okay, me I started using my own 2010. Now I started to use my 2010. Yeah, it's good then. It's good. The cream is good. You know, say the soap, it be like say the soap get this thing. All those natural this. You know, say the soap now this thing now. Where do they come? But the soap not too much good for my face. I don't know why. Natural soap now take they wash my face with Crusader. I see they use Crusader soap. But that soap of this one, you know, they good for my face. They dark my face. But as they see they use them, I will still use them because I like the scent of the soap. I like them. The last one when I order, they put small, the little one of the soap. They put carrot color for me. This thing like this. This soap very little. Where I don't like this soap. The one way it is small. Then the other day now, because I always follow them, but they say they go. If I order again, I think if I order again now, they will bring 2 for me. Yeah. If I order again, they will bring 2 for me. If you not get money, you not go follow. Yeah. If you know me, I dey use the body lotion too. You know, as I tell they use the body lotion, I dey dilute am with Johnson lotion. Now they dilute am with Johnson lotion. If I buy the body one, when I go to use body lotion, they dilute am. It dey spend time for me, you know. It dey last for me, you know. It dey last for me, and it will come make my skin just cool. I'll be like say that Johnson lotion, that one they cool my skin. Follow, and I make me not get all those nyama things for body. Not see, that make me not get nyama things for before you see nyama things for my body. They hard, and then I'll come put that one. I can't put Johnson lotion. Then I'll come put vitamin E oil. Then if I decided say I want miss and small, I feel use Movet. Take miss and small Movet. I just drop and put sometimes I no go put. I just dey use am like that. If I see say my skin don't dey, you know, say skin dey dirty sometimes. If I see say my skin say e wan dirty, I will press Movet put. If I see say don't still cleaner, I just still leave. I no go press Movet again. That's why I take dey use. And you must touch your screen. Like you get one woman when I see for Africa shop one certain time. The woman, she's very fair. You see my face now, na camera, and I make my face fair like this. Not that I'm real fair like this. No, I'm not real fair like this because I get cool color. You see this woman fair past this fair when you dey see for my body show. Then as I go dey talk and I one woman when they're not gonna tell her say, you get which cream you get when they take the miss cream. You can't bring a lot of cream come and I gonna say, no, say you can't say this one they make people yellow. Well, when I say no, I don't need the one when is yellow. Just you get Movet. You can't say Movet, that one say you get her. Now the woman can't say na Movet. Now you still take the missy cream. I was so shocked. You going? Drop that of this. You know I don't like it. 5. Why? You have money in your this thing now, in your pass. Yes. You work where your money, you don't chop and finish. When they pay you again, you continue. Now let this one put only one. No, not to you have this thing. Emma, no. I'm not gonna give you. No. It's you know the way you rough money is not good. You cannot tell me that you rough your own money. Where is your money? Where is your money? And you go your money, you have it inside your savings account. Take it. I'm not putting 2, I'm putting 1. I'm telling you, go. Don't make me vex. Yeah, now so me I don't want to. You don't see my dishes. So now my uncle hand be this one now. You don't see my uncle hand. I don't just like you come they use that cream. Later now the cream will come scatter your body. You know say sometimes you know they'll see cream take correct and sometimes when you start to scatter your body. You will see most people. If I ever do this thing so, my color now like this, now you get the way when it be. If you see me for ground, if I put my leg for ground for summertime, man, you go see my real color go fine. That is it. Bra Mike, we don't see talk. No say all of us we did there, we be blogger. I never build though. Maybe later they say that woman went to Europe. They'll tell France say. You don't spend 35 years for Europe, you never come out. Frank will come say, message to love like you don't spend 35 years for Europe, you never come out. I will laugh, quack. I will say, oh my God. Maybe Frank will say, leave on, maybe no kukuma come again. Frank, when you see settle down, and Frank, this something when you put for hair, I bet you don't read the time, come on. Look like a gentleman, since you don't build house. Yeah? God bless you for the house when you build. The place where you foresee the money to build this house. You go see money again to build the one where you go find past this one. And if you won't build that one, beg, call me so that I will give you idea. Oh my God. I'm not the man too. I don't know, I'm not the man. Unu meje mwe maneri we wole bona unu makije comment down Gbavo. You now my sister, you don't laugh. You now you just go open her. I don't even know what comment down Gbavo since I was born I grow like this. I have never come across at what did they call her? Person contract. Say you give person contract. What is how they talk engineer. When he engineering the people when they do your house, Ogbavo, what we aba. Me wan le bu we boy. No gba no say ni oja be okiyan boy. Be like say it been. If I dey see the house sometimes I say make breeze no go for the house. Okay, what is the need? Okay, look at this guy. That one when you build, you say now where you go they drink. How? How can you build small house, just a bungalow like that, just a small building like that, like a 3-bedroom flat? You build a 3-bedroom. After you build 3-bedroom finish, you go build that long one. You build that for this thing. You dey control weather. And people when they control weather, like people when they near river now, they get that now so their house say they long. When they say they control things, now they go sit down top. They go they control am. Now Ogbafo put for your house. Ogbafo that your house that color put white. No put another colory color. Just put white. White will be okay. But if you come and say you want put this one, you want put this one, if you put white for if Ogbafo sister, you know see if Ogbafo put white for that house now, you know say that house go fine. I don't know wetin Ogbafo build. Ogbafo Yoria. I don't know. Wetin may use this thing. See brown Mike. See color when you take when for gate. See the way when you take do gate. See the gate when you put for the compound. Everything just different. Why be say we don't get that color together? I don't know. That rainbow color now 14. Choose anyone you want to choose this rainbow color. Now you make rainbow color be like that. You go too fine with white. Yes, Ogbafo house go fine with white too. Everything Ogbafo house go too fine with white. No, Ogbafo house go fine with white. That one when you just take go paint that house. If I see the house sometimes, I go laugh. I on the sample we keep bob. You know? I don't know the one when Ogbafo do. What Ogbafo for just do, You see? That second one when in long, whether na upper stair, whether na high stair, I don't know. You see that place, Ogbafo for just put one fine relaxing place for there. You no go be upstairs. You get the way when they go take build that place. Won't find this thing for there. Oh, the design where they go use gate take designer. If you can't put step take climb, arrange chair put. Oh, that roofing when you take roof that in house, and you go use and take roof that this you go man, you go too fine. Money, brain there, something there. Our brain they reason well, but money no dey. That is the problem. My people, may I leave you now? Make I answer my boy. This my boy, If you don't put money for your account, because you get service account for you, if you now 50 euro, now you go put the 50 euro out when they use. If you say that 50 euro don't finish, you go call and say, Mommy, give me 10 euro. Give me 20 euro. I said, but you have money in your service account. You go say, yes, the money when you want use it, don't already use it. Say the day when they will come pay, he go come give me the money back. You see this boy? Rainbow color. Where my phone now? Rainbow color. My sister, rainbow has 14 color. It doesn't mean that you will use the whole color. You have to choose one from it. But that will just use the whole color. No, I not fit. If I don't use this thing, if I don't use purple color. If na purple color, now this guy take paint this house. Now you know say for fine. Purple color go fine for this house. Purple color with a white design. Only this window alone. This window not just fine. It too local. It be like all the days. It too local. Who be this artist when he draw this thing? No. If artist draw window for me like this, I say, brother, I beg. Come on, I say, I say, na me get paint, na me get cement. Come on, this window, they're supposed to do one. You go long, go down small. You go long, go down small. They don't measure around. The people when draw this house, they not just try. And I don't know whether you not get a mentor. Nobody can check this house. The zig when you can zig this house is out of point. How can you zig two house with different roofing? How? Ogbafo carry you come. Ogbafo, now people gonna say, una jealousy, una day, una too the jealousy, una too the jealousy. I see Ogbafo that day now. Ogbafo say, he want change the color. You see, we are not jealous. If something no good, now person now they can't talk. You know, if something no good, they say alo agbon or you say. Now people eye, now they see beauty. Now people they see the beauty. People alo agbon say. Now people eye now be beauty. If you see and I'll say, wow, very beautiful. But if you not see fine, now people will sit and say, it's not fine. If you can't tell and say it's not fine, make una not say with the jealousy. Even if say I just say this oh nah, not fine. You know what say love me, you the jealousy. I want the jealousy, oh. What I want jealousy for here. Kukuba, you not gonna give me one room for here. You not gonna even give me toilet to sleep for here. Then what is the need when I want a jealousy? They want that this no. The builder, this builder. Now this builder no try at all. No. Oh, I'll try. One Brad Mike, if you want build another one, find better builder. Make they build hard for you. If they do, they'll go stand, look and wear. Don't be all those things. You try. You try for your own taste. But for my own taste, you not try. Yeah? Okay, my people. Now leave it down. But for use white for your house, so I'll go use another color. If you use white for your house, now that house go fine. Okay? Yeah? Bye. See you everybody. Let me answer my son. Bye.